Seedance 2.0 is now public, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get access in the next few minutes, no matter where you are in the world. No VPN, no Chinese phone number, no waitlist. Let's go. All right, here's exactly how to get access. I'm going to walk you through this step by step, and I'll go slow enough that you can follow along in real time. First, open your browser and go to chatcut.io. Once you're on the site, you should see a clean homepage. Look for the Register button. It's usually in the top right corner. Before you click Register, you need an invite code. Here's where you get it. Open a new tab and go to chatcut-codes.vercel.app. This is a community site where invite codes are being shared. When you land on the page, you'll need to sign in with your X account. That's Twitter if you're not used to the new name yet. Click Sign in with X, authorize the connection, and you'll be taken to a page with active invite codes. Copy one of the codes. Just highlight it and copy to your clipboard. Keep this tab open. You're going to need it in a second. Quick note, these codes can run out as more people grab them, so if one doesn't work, just come back and try another. The community is pretty active, so fresh codes are posted regularly. Here's the key step. There will be a field that says Invite Code or something similar. Paste the code you just copied from the Vercel site. Double-check that it's pasted correctly. No extra spaces, no typos. Then hit Submit or Register. That's it. You now have access to Seedance 2.0 through chatcut. Okay, real talk. Right now, the servers are getting absolutely hammered. Thousands of people are rushing to sign up, and the infrastructure is struggling to keep up. Servers overloaded. This is normal. So if you try to register and you get an error, or the site loads slowly, or you get timed out, that's normal. Don't panic. Just wait a couple hours and try again. Same thing once you're inside. If you try to generate a video and it takes forever, or you get an error message, servers are the reason. This isn't broken. It's just in high demand. The good news? This phase won't last forever. ByteDance will scale up the infrastructure as demand stabilizes. So if you're patient, you'll get in. Try again later if needed. So now you have access. Quick disclaimer, ByteDance has added some restrictions to Seedance 2.0 because of safety concerns. You can't upload photos of real people and generate deepfakes. You can't clone someone's voice without permission. These guardrails are there for good reason. So use this responsibly. Create original content. Don't impersonate people. Don't violate copyright. Also, access could change. Right now it's free and public during rollout, but ByteDance might add pricing or limits later. So if you want to test it, now's the time. Do you want me to make a follow-up video on the best prompts to use? Like how to actually get cinematic results, what settings to tweak, how to avoid common mistakes? Drop a comment and let me know. If enough people want it, I'll make that next. And if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. Lastly, I'll drop the links you need in the description. ChatCut, the invite code site, and some other AI tools I recommend. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.